love to talk? Are you really interesting? Have you done cool things? Have you got a lot going on? It's pretty spectacular. And are you the one who likes to share this with everyone? Tell them about your holiday. Tell them about your new purchase. Tell them about your house. Tell them about your kids. Tell them about your dog, whatever it might be. And talk, talk, talk. Well, what about the other person? What are they thinking? This person only talks about themselves. Oh, this person's incredibly selfish. Oh, they never ask anything about me. Here's a lesson. If you want to get on with people, shut up. Let them do most of the talking. Not 100% of the talking, but let them do most of the talking. You find a topic, a subject of interest to them, and then you let them talk about it. And you ask them questions of interest around what they're doing, because people actually are pretty interesting in what they do. So don't be the one to hog the limelight. Don't be the one to hog the airwaves. And it's all about me, me, me. Shut up. Ask them some questions and then let them talk. Ask them some clarifying questions. Ask them some further details about what they're telling you about. And be interested in what they're telling you. You will create a connection with people much, much, much greater and much more effective than you trying to impress them with how awesome you are. Try it. Trust me, this works.